Good morning all. Welcome back today, dear students, to our online learning lecture. Now, all of you know that suspension of classes in different schools and colleges have been made, but this have not affected us. We have taken it as a positive sign. Researchers and learners and educators have realized the importance of learning and they have taken a decision of leading ahead. Different colleges and schools have also taken this initiative and we are moving with this online lectures. Good morning all once again. In spite of pandemic, I am very hopeful that you all must have been giving your best efforts in whatever you are doing and this is very encouraging. Dear students, I welcome you all today to this e-learning lecture. Today, we would be dealing with the poem. The name of the poem is Money Madness. Money सबको पता है पैसा and madness is पागलपन या पगलापन कहते हैं. So it is a madness for money. Now this poem is going to teach you something. It is a very interesting poem. Till the end you are going to realize that you are moving or the poem in spite of it which is written in 20th century. It is written by D.H. Lawrence. It is published in 1912. Though it is written in 20th century by Lawrence, who is an English poet and writer, but still it has relevant in today's situation, in today's time. Today, due to pandemic, different people have lost their job. But they have realized, due to losing the job, as they have lost the job, they have realized the importance of money. So this poem, which I would like to say, is relevant even today. One should pay importance to money, but to a limited period, or we can say a limited amount should be given importance. But still, the poet, as I've told you, that the poem has relevance in today's time. Money is something that we are possessed about or obsessed about, even today. But it is affecting us all. Society has obsession about money. This we are going to see through the poem. Again, I will repeat. The name of the poem is Money Madness. It is written by D.H. Lawrence. Let's begin with the poem. I'll just read the paragraph and explain you what is there. Money is a madness, a collective madness. Collective madness means it is a madness of group, not an individual. It is a madness which is seen in everybody. And of course, if the multitude, your multitude means masses, is mad, the individual carries his own grain of insanity around with him. Insanity means your madness. The poet wants to say here that, the poet wants to emphasize that financial issues are full of stress, which everyone is facing. Society makes a decision, or society is facing this problem even today. The poet here emphasizes that if an individual is mad for the money, he cannot move away because he is a part of the society. Everyone indirectly or directly is connected with society. An individual cannot keep himself aloof from the society. Therefore, money should be given importance, but limited importance should be given. Money holds more importance than anything in the first paragraph poet wants to convey. Poet is exaggerating the situation and presenting the social and moral degradation which have arisen because of money. This is there, or this is noticed in first paragraph. Let's move to the second paragraph. I doubt if any man living hands out a pound note without a pang. Pang means sudden feeling of mental or emotional feeling जो होती है वो, and a real tremor if he hands out a 10-pound note. Here the poet wants to say that everyone wants money. Everyone is very attached to money. When a man gives 1 pound to anyone, he feels that when he is going to get back his money. Let's take an example that if you're lending money to anyone, if you're lending 20,000 to anyone, and that to whom if you have given the money to your friend and your friend has committed that he would be returning the amount which you have given to him in 2 months. But if 2 months passes away and if he is not going to return the amount within that stipulated period of time, then the question arises in one's mind. क्या होगा? कैसे होगा? क्या मेरा दोस्त मुझे पैसे वापस करने वाला है या नहीं? ये बहुत सारे प्रश्न हमारे मन में रिवॉल्व होना शुरू हो जाते हैं। जब हम 1 पाउंड ही देते हैं किसी को तो हमारे मन में डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन अराइज होते हैं। तो जब कोई 10 पाउंड्स किसी को देगा तो स्वाभाविक है ये क्वेश्चन उसके मन में आएंगे ही। The poet wants to say that when anyone is lending a little amount of money, he feels or there is a thinking which is arisen in his mind, which arises in his mind whether I am going to get back the money or not. So what about 10 pounds? Definitely it shows that everyone is concerned for money. No one is generous in this world. Just to show off that or just to pretend that he is generous, he has given the money to his friend, but he wants that the money should be returned by his friend. और अगर वो नहीं रिटर्न करता है तो अलग अलग प्रश्न मन में उठते हैं। ये है सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में। Let's move to the third paragraph. We quail. Money makes us quail. डर लगना। It has got us down. पैसे के कारण हम झुकते हैं या पैसा हमें झुकाता है। We grovel before it in strange terror. पैसे के कारण हम अपना humbleness भूल जाते हैं। A person who is rich, we pay attention to that person. पर गरीबों की तरफ कोई भी ध्यान नहीं देना चाहता है। पर जब हाथ उठते हैं तो हाथ उठने चाहिए, पर अपने के लिए ही उठते हैं। जरूरी नहीं है कि अपने हाथ अपनों के लिए उठने चाहिए, गैरों के लिए भी उठने चाहिए। It has got us down. We grovel before it in strange terror. And no wonder, for money has a fearful, cruel power among men. पैसा ही है जो दुश्मनी तैयार करता है। पैसा ही है वो जो एक दूसरे को अपने को दूर ले जाता है एक दूसरे से। तो हमेशा ध्यान रखना चाहिए। We should think about money, but people, our kith and kins, our relatives should not go away from us because of money. A care or note should be taken by everyone. पैसा important है, पर पैसों से भी बढ़ के रिश्ते important है। But it is not money we are so afraid or terrified of. It is collective money madness of mankind. For mankind says with one voice, how much is he worth? Has he no money? Then let him eat dirt and go cold. Your go cold means die. We are afraid of money. We are terrified of money. But the more we are afraid is the people craze for money. जिस तरह लोग क्रेजी हो जाते हैं पैसे के लिए, उससे ज्यादा डर लगता है। पैसे से तो डर लगता ही है। देखो जिसके पास बहुत पैसा होगा वो रात में सो नहीं पाता है, शांति से नहीं सो पाता। एक गरीब व्यक्ति अपने झोपड़ी में सुकून की नींद लेता है, चैन की नींद लेता है, जबकि एक वेल्दी पर्सन जिसके पास बहुत पैसा रहता है वो अपने पैसे के बारे में ही सोचते या पैसे के बारे में सोचते अपनी नींद को क्या करता है, गमा देता है। Here only it is, वही बताना चाहा पोएट ने, it is collective money madness we are afraid of. एक व्यक्ति, individual is not afraid of money. It is the masses, it is the group, it is the entire society who is afraid of money. The poet says that we should not be afraid of money. और यहाँ तक ऐसा हो जाता है कि I shall have to eat dirt. यहाँ humiliating situation भी face करना पड़ता है because of money. We are insulted, we are humiliated because of money. We are bent down because of money. Money is ruling the entire society. Money is the boss of everyone. This is conveyed through the poem also. It is that I am frightened of. Poet कहते हैं इस बात का मुझे डर है. Poet का कहना है या D.H. Lawrence wants to convey that it is this madness the poet is afraid of or frightened of. People are afraid of money, and this develops or creates a fear in the mind of D.H. Lawrence, and that fear can become a delirium. इतना डर create हो जाता है because of money that we can go or move into a disease that is a mental disorder. This can happen because of craziness of money. One can move into a mental disorder state. This is happening. People are so much worried about money. They are moving into a delirium due to money. This is also conveyed by D.H. Lawrence. And that fear can become a delirium. It is fear of money, mad fellow men. It is not individual. Fellows are, a people, a group are moving. There is a mad race for money. Everyone wants money, but there is no limit for money. Jitna hai utna kam hai. People are getting crazy for money. They are moving one after another. In the two paragraphs, that is last two paragraphs, poet has given us a message which everyone should take a note of it. We must have some money to save us from eating dirt. पैसा होना चाहिए, but we should not bend down because of money. पैसे के कारण हमने कोई बुरे काम नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not do any wrong things because of money. The poet wants to say, or D.H. Lawrence wants to give us the message. Money is important, but we should not totally surrender because of money. This should be taken note, first message. And this is all wrong. If we are surrendering due to money, if we are totally just after money or mad race for money, if we are developing in ourselves, this is wrong. Bread, second message. Bread should be free. Poet has told us that 3 things should be made free for everyone in the society. Then only this fear or this people are afraid of phobia which people has developed due to money, then only it can be removed. Bread should be free. Shelter should be free. Fire should be free to all and anybody and everybody. All and anybody all over the world. Society has become, or society is bending down towards money. Every relationship, it is noticed, is characterized with money. Mental disorder is being created and it is affecting our life. But poet wants to say that basic amenities, basic necessities of fire, shelter and food, which is dire need of every human being, which is the need of everyone, should be made free. Government should make sure that everyone gets it for leading a very comfortable life. Poet leaves us with this note. We must regain our sanity about money before we start killing one another about it. It is one thing or the other thing. People are killing one another. They are just killing one another due to money. This should not be done. The poet leaves us with this note that it is a choice which we have to make, whether we want to move on wrong side or correct side. It is we have to decide whether we should be on a positive note or a negative note. जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन की त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. That is, you should revolve for money or you should move for money. Craziness for money is definitely going to lead you into wrong direction. Craziness for money is going to put you down. Craziness for money is going to ruin yourself. You are going to be affected because of money if you are going to have a mad race for money. Money should be given importance to a limited period or limited, one should have money, but too much of possessing anything is definitely going to ruin us, is going to kill us, is going to put us in danger. This should be taken note. Now, what is asked? The summary related to the poem is asked. Prepare a summary, or summary would be circulated or notes would be circulated to you, which is important. Prepare a summary. Even if you prepare a summary, you can answer each and every question which is going to come in university examination. You would be having 8-mark question which is included in unit number 3. The poem which we have dealt today, or which we have done today, is included in unit number 3. Thank you everybody.